Here are the top 5 ways to make money online. All these ideas have proven to make money, but there is one issue: time and money. We might need to require both depending on how much you would like to earn. Now let's go. Number 1, online tutoring. Online tutoring has been trending for its flexible hours and decent payment, something that can be done full-time as well as part-time. Earn up to $22 per hour with sites like vipkid.com. Number 2, selling ebooks or photos. If you have some sort of talent or ability, you should try monetizing it online. There are plenty of sites where you can sell or publish any book or picture you have taken. Number 3, similar to number 2, you can create e-commerce sites where you can sell any kind of product by having the product shipped straight to the client, but through your site. You can do this and more in sites like Shopify and Printful. Number 4, trading. Trading in the stock market and crypto market has proven to have high payouts, and it can be done from your couch. But they could come with a risk. There are many trading sites and apps where you can invest and trade. Choose your favorite. Number 5, and with the most potential revenue, is becoming an influencer. In 2024, online influencers and streamers have been generating an average of $57,000 a year. Of course, if your influence goes beyond certain groups, you can make even more money like Kai Cenat and Mr. Beast. To get started, all you need is a computer or smartphone. Get educated in any of these topics. Give it your best effort, and you will generate money online. Leave a comment on things that stop you from making money online. Subscribe for more top 5s.